Hi everyone, good evening. Lisa, happy 18th birthday. Masaya kami para sa iyo sa naibibigay ni mama mo sa iyo. Lahat ng gusto mong makuha, ma-enjoy, naibibigay ni mami at saka ni baba mo sa iyo, pati na rin si Kuya Ton mo. We want to wish you all the best and continuous happiness, success in life, and stay pretty, humble, simple, smart, lahat yata ng nasa iyo na eh. Especially gorgeous. You are so pretty talaga. You have a beautiful smile, beautiful inside and out. Kaya lucky din sila mami mo at saka si baba mo for having you. Kami din, swerte din. We are so blessed for having you. Kasi we had a chance to travel together, all free. Dahil lang sabi ni mami mo nung pinaglilihi ka pa lang, pag naging girl daw yung baby niya, titreat na kami ni mami, ni Annie Resti mo. At yun, talagang pinag-pray din namin na maging girl ka. Thanks God talaga. At saka sa'yo, siyempre, kasi nga girl ka. At saka kay mami mo at kay mami mo din. Thank you, thank you. Stay happy. O yun lang. Basta masaya kami para sa'yo. Kahit wala kami dyan. And parang just feel our presence with our greeting. Thank you, thank you. Love you. I love you.
Hello, Isa. Happy 18th birthday. Sorry we can't make it this time kasi nga busy. So anyway, thank God for all the blessings at saka sa effort ni Mama for this big celebration in town. I hope you will be more happier and more birthdays to come. And may God bless you and wish you all the best in life. Good luck, good health, at may you reach. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Let.
Miss you.
Miss you all. Love you all.
Ingat palagi. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.